Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to showcase the innovative features of Kaierda welding machines that are paving the way for a more sustainable future. Firstly, energy efficiency. Kaierda welding machines are equipped with advanced inverter technology, which significantly reduces power consumption compared to traditional welding machines. This technology not only enhances performance but also cuts down on energy usage, making the machines more eco-friendly. Secondly, durability and longevity. Kaierda machines are built to last, reducing the frequency of replacements and repairs. This durability leads to lower waste production, as fewer machines and parts end up in landfills. Additionally, the long lifespan of these machines ensures that resources are used efficiently over time. Thirdly, material efficiency. Kaierda welding machines are designed for precision welding, which helps in reducing material wastage. This precision ensures that only the necessary amount of material is used, contributing to less scrap and more efficient use of resources. Additionally, Kaierda incorporates recyclable materials in the construction of its machines, further enhancing their environmental sustainability. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on the features of Kaierda welding machines, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.